I am a Catholic when I was born, but to be honest with God, I was not His fan during my entire childhood and adulthood. I went to church every Sunday because it is a habit that made me feel guilty if I didn't do it. Only when I faced with several turning points in my life which made me imbalanced, I started to bet God. And as a magic, the more I bet with my heart, the easier I found good solutions. After several years learning and living spiritually, I understand that this lifestyle has a long tradition history and not only fixed with religion. In fact, spirituality is generally a broader concept with rooms for many perspectives. It includes a sense of connection to something bigger than ourselves, and it typically involves a search for meaning in life. There are several types of spiritual practices, such as meditation, prayer, yoga, and journaling. Right now, I only follow prayer because it is the easiest way. Prayer may elicit the relaxation response, along with the feelings of hope, gratitude, and compassion, all of which have a positive effect on overall well-being. There are several types of prayer, many of which are rooted in the belief that there is a higher power that has some level of influence over your life. This belief can provide a sense of comfort and support in difficult times. I only think that to pray on God or to someone on your belief, meaning that to wish or to speak out what you want and let God help. This method is also one of the process of practicing law of attraction. Only thinking about what you want, keep your mind peaceful, trust and think positively, and follow the signal in your life. This church was built before my grandparents were born. I like singing, and I'm happy to join a church choir here. Singing and praying at the same place at the same time. Nothing is more fantastic for my life than this.